Hey guys, welcome to our channel, and if you want to know that how to activate Mint Mobile eSIM, then this video is for you. Right now I'm on Mint Mobile official website where they have instructed the customers how they can actually activate the eSIM, Mint Mobile eSIM on their devices. So if you're Android user or iOS user, you can follow these steps. So the first one is connect to Wi-Fi and download the Mint mobile app. You can get this Mint mobile app on your App Store or on your Play Store. In the app, select activate your SIM card. The app should detect if your phone is eSIM compatible. Then enter your 11-digit eSIM ACT code from your order confirmation email. Then select keep your current one to bring your phone number to Mint. Get a new number by selecting get a new one, and they will assign one to your based on your zip code. If you choose to get a new number, skip ahead to step 5. Or if you want to keep the current phone number, then you have to enter your current phone number and the zip code that are associated with your phone number, the current phone number. This helps them verifying your information and determine eligibility for transferring your number over to Mint. Select your correct carrier and provide the requested information. You will need your account number and PIN or number transfer PIN. You can find this on your current carrier's website or in your account settings. Then enter your name to initiate a number transfer request. Once your request goes through, you will see a message saying your plan has been activated. Then create account. Create a password to finish setting up your account on the Mint mobile app. Now install your eSIM. Select scan QR code to have the app lead you to your phone settings and guide you through an easy installation. Then simply use your device to scan the QR code in your confirmation email. If you are not able to scan the QR code from your phone, you can select enter QR code manually and then follow the on-screen instruction. After that, you will just have to copy and paste the SMDP plus address and activation code directly from the app or your email. Then configure your Android's APN settings. If you're an Android user, then you have to configure that settings. APN, the access point name, is a crucial network settings that enables your Android phone to connect to the internet. You can easily configure your APN settings using their guide. You can just go to the configure your APN settings, and they will instruct you how you can just configure it. So here is the steps that go into your phone settings. Then select connections or search access point names. Then select mobile networks. Then tap access point names or APN. Then tap the three-dot menu in the top right, then reset to default and select add to enter the following information as shown. So here you can see you can just add it here. Or if you're using iOS device like iPhone, then here you don't need to do anything like Android. You don't need to turn on or set up APN. It will actually automatically set up APN according to your current carrier. So that's all. Hope you got this. If so, then give us a thumbs up, leave a comment below, and thanks for watching. Till next time.